amazing artist. My name is Cassie Stevens, and we are going to be creating together today. If you love creating as much as I do, you can find more videos just like this on my YouTube channel. I'm really easy to find. All you have to do is search my name, Cassie Stevens. Did you know that creating is all about making an optical illusion? So optical is another word for eye, in case you haven't noticed. I have a lot of eyes happening right here. And an illusion is creating a little bit of magic. So when you're drawing or creating something, you are making eye magic. You can actually show space in a flat piece of art. How could you do that? Let me show you today. Let's take a flat piece of paper and create the illusion of space and depth with a landscape. Begin by folding your paper in half, then take the open side of the paper and bring it back to the fold. Smoosh down the fold, flip the paper over, and again, take the open side, bring it back to the fold. I'm creating a zigzag folded piece of paper. Open your paper up, and on one side of your paper, near the top but not quite, put a little polka dot. Then I'll do the same thing near the bottom, but not quite to the bottom. Now imagine what kind of jaggedy line might be for a mountain range. Draw that and then go ahead and cut it out. This will be a part of our landscape or a creation, a picture, a work of art that showcases the land. My landscape now has a foreground, the part in the front, a middle ground, and a background. I'm going to start to color the middle ground, foreground, and background. I'm using crayons. You can use any art supply that you like. But when you color, make sure to go ahead and fold it back together again to make sure that you're coloring or adding decorations to the correct side of the landscape. There we go. Now that my landscape is complete, I'm going to draw a shape of glue on the back and attach it to a background piece of paper that I will use for my sky. Cut off the excess paper and then decorate your sky any way you like, maybe with a sunset or a sunny day or a stormy afternoon. Now let's work on some things that we could add to our landscape to really help to show space and depth. I'm creating a group of houses and I'm cutting them out. Notice I made one big, one medium, and one small. I also folded that paper in half. That way when I drew and cut out my houses, I didn't get just one house, but two. Now spend some time with a little tiny pen or pencil and decorate each house. Think of ways how you could make each one different and unique, just like us. No two people are alike. So let's make a whole bunch of houses that reflect that, each one different, unique, and amazing. Now, when you glue your houses in place to really help to show depth, think about where they might go. The big houses will go in the foreground because they are closer to us. They appear to be the biggest. Ones that are a little further away in the middle ground appear to be smaller in size. And those in the background look so teeny tiny, even though they're all about the same size in reality. Look at that, a cool landscape for you to create.